Let's play those pictures again of what's been happening in the Gujarat Congress office. Most embarrassing here for a party that's actually trying to take on Narendra Modi. Physical fights, it starts like that, but it ends in a very, very ugly manner. And this is being repeated again and again across Gujarat. My first question is to Ami Yagnik tonight. Ami Yagnik, your vice president of your state unit resigns. Your spokesperson resigns. Your general secretary resigns. Your vice president in your Ahmedabad City Congress resign. 4 Dalit leaders, also office bearers, also resign in Ahmedabad. What is going on in the Congress party? Is this the way you'll take on Narendra Modi?
Arnav, you have mentioned all these resignations. They have to be put in a proper way. We have not yet received them. You might just mention that they have resigned.
Their resignations given today.
All you can say about the... Yes, but this is not all you can attribute to the Congress party, because what you are saying is they are just stray incidents, minor incidents. It does show that there are some kind of disgruntled souls there, just because there happen to be some other candidates selected.
No,
but you should not forget one thing.
I don't think I'm being selective.
This is a party.
I don't think I'm being selective.
No, you are not being selective, but I think you should just keep one fact in mind, that we are talking about a party that believes in democracy.
Yeah, sure.
All the processes that take place within the party, all the decisions that are taken are completely based on democratic principles.
No, I'm sure
when
physical fights are also... I'm sure physical fights in party offices are also a new form of democracy. I want to go to Meenakshi at this stage. Meenakshi Lekhi.
Please let me complete. When there is a democracy, there is bound to be a different view. When there are different views, they do surface very strongly and appear at the time of elections. Now, when there is a collection,
so your party leaders, I'm sorry to say, have actually gone to. They have gone to Delhi. They have met Rahul Gandhi, and the groups of leaders went to Rahul Gandhi, and on the instructions there later, Gujarat Congress passed a memo telling state leaders, if you have a problem, don't go to Delhi to Rahul Gandhi, come to us. Right? Tushar Chaudhary's effigy was burned today. The niece of the Congress MP, Poonam Madam, has gone to the BJP.
That is happening.
Well, okay. You say these are all exceptions.
So crossovers can happen. Crossovers can happen.
Sure. Meenakshi Lekhi, how do you view this in the battle of nerves that's going on? And is the BJP any better, given the fact that it has almost delayed the list of announcements of its own candidates? It's not doing much better. There's equal infighting in the BJP. Meenakshi.
No, see, when there is when the party is going to do well, or when the leadership has already established itself for 3 terms, this is the 4th term, everybody knows the writing is on the wall that Gujarat BJP under the leadership of Mr. Modi is going to perform, and not just perform with a thumping majority. Under the circumstances, the greed, the ambition, everything comes up. And people from the same constituency, there will be more than one candidate willing to contest election, and you have to take certain calls. But that, so be it. I mean, that's a natural discourse which happens in politics. But at the same time, how you are able to manage these kinds of feuds is where the leadership lies. And the fact that first list is already out, Mr. Modi was not even in Gujarat. In fact, he was in Delhi when the first list was announced, and yet the party has conducted itself with all responsibility and political maturity, and everyone who has been declined ticket and who has been given ticket has shown a huge sense of maturity. So
no.
I think
I am on the issue of discipline tonight. I am on the issue of discipline tonight. My question to Madhu Gaur. I'm going to come back to you. My question to Madhu Gaur is: your spokespersons resign, your vice president resign, your general secretary resigns. There is confusion. There is rebellion, Mr. Madhu Gaur. There is a lack of leadership. There is a protest.
Earlier, even the mayor has resigned. Mayor of Ahmedabad has resigned, and there has been now the fact Mr. Yagnik is accepting that
Arnab, I think
crossover
you
can
asked me a
happen
question.
and
Let me
crossover
answer
can
that.
happen at the time of election. I think
you
it
should get
speaks volumes about
Meenakshi,
how
you
the
should get
party-
2004,
your facts
Arnab,
right.
let me
and
tell
I'm
you
going
this is
across
what
to
happened
Madhu
in
Gaur.
Andhra Pradesh.
I'm going to Madhu Gaur. I'm going to Madhu Gaur.
Yeah,
on,
let me tell you
on
what
the
happened in
situation in
Andhra
the Congress.
Pradesh. This is a reflection of jubilant mood of the Congress workers.
You really
across
think
the
so?
state in Gujarat. This exactly. Let me tell you. This exactly happened in 2004 in Andhra Pradesh. During Chandrababu 9 years rule, people thought like, oh, you'll be coming back again. And when I joined even 2004, people said, why are you joining Congress? So this is internal democracy is one, and two, this is the way the Congress is going to come back, the comeback trail. And the people are coming to Congress and seeking, so many people are seeking Congress tickets. So this is where the so-called hype which is created by the media is exactly replica of what Chandrababu did it in 2004. And what
Yatin Oza,
is doing the same thing.
Yatin Oza,
Spending
these
crores
physical
of
fights,
rupees,
this
trying to
confusion
build
is a
this
reflection
image,
of the
and there's no democracy.
jubilation of the Congress
This is
party.
Every party, Arnab, every party, this takes place when there is a huge demand for a party ticket, party nominations.
No, it's possible.
And why the people are coming to the Congress
No,
party?
it's possible.
And why the Congress party within the Congress
it
party?
is
why the
possible,
people
Mr.
coming?
Mr. Gaur, it is possible. Anything.
There is no why.
It is
why
possible.
there is no internal democracy? Is a dictatorship under Narendra
No,
Modi.
it is
There is
possible.
no democracy within the party in BJP.
No, it is
The
possible.
so-called disciplined party, what they're doing it, we know everyone.
I, Mr. Gaur,
So this
take
is
you
not
very
only
extremely.
to-
Mr. Gaur, I take you very
this happens
seriously.
in
However,
every- there is a
I see you have a smile on your face today. And I want to place those pictures.
No, even in UP.
And Mr. Gaur, one minute, Mr. Gaur,
Even in
Mr. Gaur,
UP,
what we'll do is, Mr. Gaur, we'll put those pictures of that WWF style wrestling going on in the Congress office on one side. And then we put your pictures on the other, and I want you to honestly, without a smile on your face, tell me that this is a reflection of the jubilation in the Congress
I can't see the
ahead of a
picture
crushing
which you're going
defeat
to put it.
of Narendra Modi. You actually think so?
But I very much believe so. And the hype which is created, the kind of which he claims to be 24 hours power, 24/7, and where my party people are saying that across villages is only 4 or 5 hours power they're getting it. And the so-called, even look at the CAG report, which the Sacrosanct of CAG report, which BJP claims to believes to be in their own state.
Sir,
in
but you
Gujarat,
don't believe the CAG.
45,000 crores misappropriation.
Sir, but you don't believe the CAG
Look
as an
ask
institution.
BJP. No, but they let them answer. When they believe,
Yatin
fine,
Oza.
we don't believe, right? But let you believe that BJP believes. Then why BJP don't answer CAG?
Yatin Oza.
CAG's objections in Gujarat state itself.
Yatin Oza,
They never answer. They never answer.
Yatin Oza, who's better
They never-
prepared?
Permit me to
And
answer.
look at, he gives a land to the every industrialist for cheap
permit me to
price,
answer.
but he doesn't give a land to the Indian Air Force.
Madhu Gaur,
Until Prime Minister involves
Yatin
him.
Oza is responding to your analysis of what's going on in the Congress party. Yes, Mr. Oza.
Mr. God himself
He is not worried
knows
about
that he
what's
is
going on in
fooling
our party.
himself.
Don't worry.
Can it ever be said that this is a
don't know what
jubilant
you are-
mood? You rightly use the word WWF fighting.
Mr.
Now,
Gentleman,
demand
you
for
try to
tickets
speak in a
in
parliamentary
BJP.
language. I'm not
1
fooling
minute,
myself.
please, Mr.
You
God.
don't be overconfident. You be respectful to other person.
Did I utter a word
Okay,
when you were
don't bother
speaking?
about what's happening in the
Did I
Congress
utter a
party.
word
You're
when I
worried about your own party.
Did you utter? I know Congress better than what you know. Possibly you don't know my background, but permit me to speak. I didn't utter a word when you were speaking.
I don't have to. The language which you're speaking, you don't have to know about you.
Please kindly permit me to speak. The ticket seekers in BJP were multiplied by 10 than what people sought ticket for Congress party.
Really?
The list has been announced, and Arnab, you will see that those people who had asked for the party ticket would accompany the person who has been selected as a candidate to go to file the nomination. That is the basic difference. Congress in Gujarat is confused.
Yeah, the basic difference,
Depressed.
the chief minister frames his own minister in a criminal case.
Absolutely confused, depressed, and they have no agenda, they have no leader. There is a serious and very I mean, visible factional fight within the Congress. All 4 or 5 leaders want their candidates to be pushed in. One gets it,
Are you
other
saying?
4, and the
Are you
supporters go
saying?
out.
Are you saying, Miss Meenakshi
I want
Lekhi?
to comment on the
No,
central
Miss
leadership.
Meenakshi Lekhi. You watch it. What's happening in the Congress? We've seen today. But what about the BJP? Does Narendra Modi not fear rebellion? If he does not fear rebellion, why has he gone back on his own theory of not repeating candidates? In every election since 2001, Narendra Modi, if I'm not mistaken, has been removing half the number of candidates and bringing in new faces. Yatin Oza says there are 10 as many candidates for every seat. If that is the case, why is Narendra Modi playing so safe for the first time since 2001? Meenakshi Lekhi, tell me, why is Narendra Modi playing so safe? To know why is Narendra Modi playing so safe that he's repeating? Are there no new people, no new leaders, no younger leaders to
Mr. Goswami.
that Mr. Narendra Modi can promote?
Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Goswami.
Meenakshi Lekhi.
When you are contesting elections, the issue is about winnability of a candidate.
Why was that
Based
not
on
the
that,
issue
you
earlier?
distribute tickets. Of course, it has been the issue, and it is the issue even today. Now, first list is out. We are not sure of the second list. Let's see, and then we can discuss this
do
point
you agree that for the first
and
time?
right now,
Do you agree for the first
no,
time
no, I
Mr.
don't
Narendra
agree
Modi
with
has
anything.
stopped experimenting with new faces? Why?
Right now, I don't agree with anything you say because half the list is out.
But
Half
what
is
do you
still
see in the half
to
the
be
list, Meenakshi
decided,
Lekhi?
and
Half the list tells the story.
No,
Half the list
you
he's not
see,
experimenting with new faces.
It is not that you can every time change a face, and it is not every time you have to repeat a face. It depends on what is the demand of the constitution.
Madhukar, you buy
If
that line?
honestly you go around
Madhukar,
the
you buy that line?
Election is only
Absolutely not.
about
They
winning those
themselves so much
elections.
dissident
But I want to comment on
because they're
something
worried
else.
about it.
What
Already
is
Mr.
missing?
Keshav
No, one
what
minute,
is
let Madhukar
missing?
contradict
Mr.
you.
Gaur, I'm not through as yet.
Let Madhu Gaur come in. I have a couple of minutes
Yet.
left.
I have to make one point.
No, Madhu Gaur does not agree with you. I have
Arnab.
limited time. Let him respond to you. Yes, Madhu Gaur.
No, but I need to make
Madhu Gaur,
one point.
Arnab,
And that is about the central
Madhu Gaur, please,
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi.
They're worried about it. This is the dictatorship of functioning of Mr. Modi, and their own party high command is stopping him of what he's trying to do it. Already they've seen it.
You know, when Mr. Gaur talks about dictatorship, I think
why
he needs to
should
go
he
back
be
to the
stopped?
foundation of
He's
his own
winning
party.
elections after
He needs
elections
to
on his
go.
own strength.
You worried about your own party. Let's leave it. We know how to control our own party people who are indisciplined. We can take care of them. You just wait for it. What's
What
the
is
result
he
going
saying?
to
I
be?
can't
And
even
this is
follow.
reflects of the kind of
Mr. Madhu Gaur says wait for the results. That's the bottom line tonight. I want to go back to Ami Yagnik. Ami Yagnik, what would you say to the people of Gujarat who have witnessed these remarkable pictures here? Effigies burned, WWF matches going on, posters being torn down, individual party leaders being attacked, delegations going to Delhi to complain, party leaders bringing out memos saying complain to us. Is this what a political party should look like ahead of an important election? Would you admit
No.
there's something seriously wrong going on in the Gujarat Congress?
No, there is something very seriously right. People are connecting to Congress. In the last several years, we have gone to the workers at the grassroots level, and there are lots of people who have got connected with the people at the grassroots level. The ground reality has been exposed, the lies have been exposed, and Gujarat now feels that they are ready to take a Congress rule, and that is why
How many sitting MPs? How many sitting MPs have you roped in for this
But
election?
why don't you let me complete?
How many
Why
sitting
don't you let
MPs have
me
you roped in
complete?
for this election?
No, why don't you let me complete instead of asking me these midway questions?
It's relevant, isn't it? How many sitting MPs have you brought into this election?
Yes, no, So what is wrong? What is wrong?
Because if you have so
Why
many
don't you
able
question the
candidates, if you
strategies
have
of the
so many
dictatorship of
candidates
the other
wanting to
side?
fight on a Congress ticket, why are you bringing so many MPs to fight an MLA election?
Yes, So it is the party decision
No.
to see that the right candidate comes and the right
Not only
candidate does the
many
work in its
MPs,
particular
Arnab, I'll tell you, many
constituency.
MPs would like to go
Just
back to
because
the
there are
state.
some minor incidents you attribute to infighting and using a strong word, you cannot see the subtle infighting in the BJP, which is between the central party and the local ruling party. You cannot see that there is not a single voice, not a single dissent, not a single difference of opinion in the ruling party, which speaks volumes. Which speaks volumes.
Arnab,
There is no democratic processes.
Ami
Go
Yagnik,
back to the state politics.
Ami Yagnik,
Many MPs want
humbly,
to go back to state politics. When
I
they see
humbly
the government
disagree.
going to
I think I think the differences
Yes.
between BJP
You
leaders
have a
and
right to disagree, yes.
no, the disagreements between BJP leaders in Gujarat and Delhi is now part of our political folklore. It is the stuff of legend. Everyone's talked
Yes.
about it. We've done programs on it, on whether there's a divide between Mr. Gadkari and Mr.
shows a
Narendra
sign,
Modi.
And that shows a sign and attributes a particular quality to the ruling party.
Yes. Well,
It
well,
is not
Ami
that it is
Yagnik,
a part of politics, but it gives a very strong confirmation of what is the fear in the ruling party.
yes, Meenakshi Lekhi, quick word, then I wrap up. 30 seconds.
My word to Ms. Yagnik is that if there is a disturbance in the state and state Congress is a part of the main Congress body which is controlled by the centre, should supposedly
You may
be
not
controlled
talk
by
about
the
any
centre,
disturbance, you
and
please
centre
talk
is
about
not
your
able to
party.
resolve.
Yes.
Centre is not. Ms. Yagnik, allow me to complete.
We are today on the Gujarat. We are on
and
Gujarat
Mr.
state.
Rahul Gandhi.
And you please
your
speak to
Mr.
what
Rahul
kind of
Gandhi
processes you
refuses
follow
to.
in Gujarat. Don't
I will be visiting you and I will choose to visit your constituency. So don't worry, you'll see me more. You'll see me more. And Rahul Gandhi, let me complete Rahul Gandhi bit because Rahul Gandhi was supposed to be in Gujarat with 40 of his subordinates. I wish he could visit Gujarat and resolve this kind of problem with
Meenakshi Lekhi, Ami Yagnik. Meenakshi Lekhi, Ami Yagnik, Madhu Gaur Yakshi and Yatin Oza. I thank you. When Rahul Gandhi goes to Gujarat, we'll cover that as well. When Narendra Modi comes back on his next 3D rally, we'll cover that as well. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on that last debate tonight. See you tomorrow, same time, 9 p.m. with the big story and the relevant debate. Good night and goodbye.